Devi Mundi.
What again?
I'm Devi Mundi.
Oh, how old are you?
I'm 18 years of age.
18? Oh, you're older than me. What is your motto in life?
Motto?
Yeah.
My motto is...
Motto? Ajinomoto.
Experience is the best education.
Yeah. Oh! That is correct. How many boyfriends do you have? Tell the truth, but nothing but the truth or in this investigation. In this investigation.
I have... one. Only one.
One, true.
Past.
How about the past boy? No, not past. Your pastime boyfriend right now.
Pastime. Past.
Wala?
How many?
Okay, nothing on you. What are your talents? No. Why did you enter the volleyball team?
I want to explore.
Explore the internet.
Explore the internet program.
The internet explorer.
I want to have friends.
To have boyfriends or no?
Disciplined friends.
Oh.
Ouch. Okay. Who's your present boyfriend now?
Mr. Raymond.
Oh!
Who's manager?
What is your talent?
Singing, although I don't have a good voice.
Singing and dancing. Request singing and dancing.
You can dance? You sing?
Don't know how to dance.
Okay, you sing. I want
Nobody.
I want nobody.
Nobody but you.
I don't know how to sing.
I like to sing.
Think about it.
Oh.
Okay.
Hope, ikaw pala Jerwar. Hindi pa nagpaiso. Sige.
I'm nervous.
Don't
Hindi
please.
nakikinig po ako. Oh, how about a round of applause?
Okay lang.
Yeah, standing ovation. Ooh, oh, yeah. You look so damn right. Standing outside my trying to apologize.
Ay, mapangangap.
So don't tell me you're sorry, 'cause you're not. When I know you're only sorry, you got caught. You put on quite a show. You really had me going. Now it's time to go. Curtains finally closing. That was quite a show.
Nalistahan na ako ng mga magaling pa.
Very entertaining, yeah, but it's over now. Go on, take the bow. Ooh, and the award for the best I was you. For making me believe that you could be faithful to me. Let's hear your speech out. And I round of applause.